Yes. What is shell?
Shell is a part of operating system, and it acts as a mediator between the user and the kernel.
Kernel. Yes, simple example. Excellent, excellent. So it's providing you a work environment for the user, work environment for the user, and take the user commands and translate into kernel understandable format so that kernel understand our command. Okay, kernel understand our command and it is giving you some response. Okay, otherwise without shell, can you inform to the, without shell, can you inform to the kernel? No, it is not possible because the kernel doesn't know our language. User is speaking English like language, but kernel is speaking what? Hardware language. But we don't know hardware language. That's why we are we are appointing as a mediator between user and kernel, nothing but shell. Shell is a mediator between a user and kernel. Shell is an important item in an operating system. It is an okay. Simple example. Okay, right. Afterwards, what is kernel?
Kernel is mediator between shell and hard disk, sir.
Oh, okay. Hardware, right? Okay.
Hardware.
Hardware. So, the first question is what? What is shell? Right. So, first question is what is shell? Excellent answer. Okay, right. The second question is what? What is kernel? Kernel, right. What is kernel? So, what is kernel?
Kernel is mediator between shell and hard disk.
Mediator between me?
Mediator between shell and
Between shell and
hardware.
excellent answer. Hardware. Okay. It perform then operations.
Operations.
It performs different operations. Okay, it performs different operations. Right. Excellent answer. So very, very shortcut method. Okay, right. So what is the third question? What is user ID? User ID. User ID. What is user ID? Yes, friends. User ID.
User add is a command.
Okay, okay. User add
To create a user.
is a command to create users. Okay, users. Okay, right. So what is passability? What is passability?
Passability is a command to create a password to users.
Passability is a command to create
all
assign
user
assign
all assign passwords to every user.
Password for users. Simple, very simple, right? Password for users, right? Assign a password for users, right? So what about the fifth question? So fifth question, what is fifth, what is passability file? What is passability file?
It contains user information.
Yes, excellent. So passability is a file which contains all users information. All users information. Simple. Very simple. Yes. Next, sixth. So what is next sixth question? Okay. Yes, friends. What is sixth question? Yes, simple. What is sorry, shadow file? What is shadow file?
Shadow file.
Contains information for the user.
Password information.
Only a single person. Shadow is a file. Okay, shadow is a file which contains
User information.
Passwords of the user.
all the users
Users information.
users password
Information.
and password related parameters, PARAME parameters information. So parameters in the sense what? So when will the password expired and how the password expired? Okay, everything will inside a shadow file. Everything is available inside a shadow file. Okay. Okay. How the password is storing? How the password is storing in shadow file? Yes.
Encrypted
One
Storing
minute.
in encrypted format.
One minute. Pause. I'll ask you one by one. Okay. I'll ask you one question for M. Penchalaya. Yes, Penchalaya.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Penchalaya.
Yes, sir.
How the user password information is storing inside a shadow file?
The user password information storing in encryption format, sir. We can't see the password
Yes.
directly.
Who will do that? Operating system.
Yes, sir. Only operating system.
Definitely. Say the plain text format will be converted as an encryption format. The encryption format will be storing inside a shadow file. This will be done by
Operating
Linux
system.
automatically. This will be done by Linux automatically. Okay. So can you say this answer in an interview? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is any difficulty?
No, sir. There is no difference.
Nothing like that. Okay. So next question. Okay. Should I write all these things? Okay. 1 minute. How the user password, how the user password. I'll share this document. Okay. So that it will be very, very easy for you to remember the questions and answers. Okay. How the user password information will be storing inside a shadow file. How? Okay. Answer. User password information will be stored in the form of encryption. That's it. Encryption. Okay. As we provide plain text, as we provide password as a plain text format. So plain text format will be converted as encryption format and storing into shadow file. This will be taken care by Linux, not by you. Okay. This process will be taken care by Linux, not by you. So, and how the password information will be storing inside a shadow? User password information will be stored in the form of encryption. As we provide a password as a plain text format, the plain text format will be converted as encryption and storing into shadow file. This process will be taken care by, yes, this will be taken care by Linux only. Okay, simple answer. Right, excellent. So, okay, number 8 question. Number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay. Number 8. What is PWD?
PWD is a present working directory.
Okay. So, no. PWD stands for present working directory or print working directory. What is the use of PWD? That's what I'm asking you. What is the use of PWD? What is PWD? Okay, no problem. PWD stands for PWD stands for
To display the present working directory.
working directory or present working directory. Right. Print working directory or present working directory. What is the purpose of? So the purpose of PWD is what? The purpose of
Display
PWD
the
is what?
present
To
working
display. To display.
Current
present working directory.
Current working directory.
Current user folder or directory. That's it. Shortcuts anamata. Okay. Shortcuts. Okay. Okay. Right. So ninth question. Right. So what is who am I? Who am I? What is who am I?
It will display the username.
Display the user.
Okay. It will. What is user? Who am I? What
Current
is the purpose of who am I?
current user.
It displays current user name ID na
Name, sir.
name.
it displays current user
Current
name.
user name.
That's it. Okay, over. Simple. Next, yes. What is the purpose of user folder? What is user folder? Why we are using user folder? What is user
Store the
folder?
users work.
What is user
Whenever
folder?
we create a user, it will have a user folder.
Whenever we create any user, the user will get the user folder. Okay, the user folder will be given by Linux by default. So answer, whenever we create any user, okay, any user, shortcut answers, user will get user folder by default. Okay, by default. Okay, user folder by default. Okay, the user folder will be created and assigned by whom?
Linux, sir.
The user folder. Okay, user folder created and assigned by Linux
sir.
automatically. Oh, automatically. Yes. Next answer. Can you change the user folder? Is it possible? Can you change the
Yes.
user folder? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
But how you change the user folder? Yes, okay. Your answer is yes. How you change that? How you
Use mod, sir.
User mode, with the help of
how
user
you
mode
change
command.
that? Okay. Yes. Now answer is what? Yes, by using user mod command. Okay, by using user mod
With the help of hyphen D flag.
command with the help of
Hyphen D flag.
D flag.
D flag.
D flag.
With the help of D flag or
Folder name.
D option. With the help of D flag or D option, we can modify the user folder also. Simple answer. We can modify the user folder also by using user mod, USR MOD mod command. With the help of D flag, we can modify the user folder. That's it. Okay. Next question. Okay. So can anyone tell me the next question? Okay. Can anyone in user management?
How can we change the user ID?
Sorry.
How can we change the user ID?
Yes. How can you change the user ID? So can you change the user ID? Okay, can you change the user ID?
Yes.
User ID for the user. Is it possible? Yes, tell me, is it possible? Can you change the user ID for the user? Is it possible?
User mod hyphen G.
Yes, answer is yes. It is yes.
It
It
is
is
possible
possible.
hyphen u. With the
How you how you change the user ID? Please tell me. How you change the user ID?
with the help of user
By using
mode
user mod command with the help of hyphen
By
hyphen
using user mod command. Okay. With the help of
help of
with the help of yes, which flag?
u
u flag,
hyphen u
u flag,
With the help of U
of
flag.
u
Yes, or U flag or
flag or
u option.
U option. You can say flag or option, U flag or
option
U
U.
option. Yes, we can modify.
modify
We can modify the user ID for the user. Simple. So can you say the statements, please, one time? Yes. Once, can you a statement? Okay, no problem. By using user mod command, I can able to modify the
Yeah,
user
the
ID. But
user
can you
ID.
write the statement and can you say the statement? User mod. Yes. What is the statement to modify the? What is the statement to modify the user ID? Yes. What is the statement to modify the user ID?
User mod hyphen
u
Some of the interviewers asking like this. Some of the interviewers asking like this. So, what is the statement to modify
I
user ID? To modify user ID. Okay. Just what is the statement? Please explain.
user mod hyphen
mod
u
hyphen u
1100 username.
User mod hyphen u.
hyphen u
Afterwards,
ID,
user ID.
User ID,
1001
username.
User ID. Okay. Okay. User ID and
username
excellent answer. User.
username.
Simple. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. So user mod hyphen u. User ID.
1001
Something called 1055.
001
Okay. Username is what?
name.
Papa Rao. Simple. Good. Okay. Like this, we can modify the user ID also. What about the 14th? Yes. How you change the username? How you change the username? Can you change the username? Is it possible? Like this, they ask you. Can you change the username? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible.
Yes.
User mod command. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. User
Same
mod
thing.
command.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same way. Yes. Simple, very simple. Don't confuse and don't get afraid because this is a very, very simple subject, Linux. Anyone will understand the Linux subject. Even 10th class also will understand the Linux subject and DevOps subject also. Okay, after Linux, DevOps dead easy, boss. Okay, right. Okay. So my question is what? Can you change? Can you change username? Okay, is it possible? Is it possible? Yes.
Yes, yes, it is possible.
Yes.
By using
Possible.
user mod command.
Simple. By using user mod command with the help of
Flag.
with the help of
Flag L.
L option.
L. A small L or
L
capital?
flag, sir.
Small L or
Capital L.
capital?
Small L, sir. Small L, sir.
Small.
Small L, sir.
Small L. Excellent answer. Excellent answer. Small L. Yes. Okay. Okay. Small L flag or
New username.
L option.
L option.
Okay. L option. We modify username. That's it. We modify username. Okay. So what is the statement to modify the username? Like this, they'll ask you one more time. So, fifth question. So, what is the statement to change the username? What is the statement to change the username? Yes.
User mod
User mod
hyphen L,
hyphen L.
hyphen L,
Ah.
username,
New
existing
username,
username.
old username.
Yeah, yes. User mod hyphen L. Okay, and what should I write here?
Read
You
new username, sir.
New username. Excellent answer. New username. Okay. Afterwards, old
Old
user.
username.
Existing. Oh,
Okay, old username. That's it. So, user mod hyphen L. So, new username, something called, so, V Papa Rao. But old username is what? Only Papa Rao. That's it. So I changed it as a V Papa Rao. That's it. Papa Rao is the old username and I changed it as a V Papa Rao. That's it. Okay. Simple. Very simple answer. So 16th, number 16. Okay. Right. Number 16th question. Okay. Can you block the user? Okay. If someone is going in the vacation, yes, if I want to block the user for some time, some period of time, can you block the user? Is it possible?
Yes, it is
Any
possible.
user. Can you block the user? Can you lock the user? Is it possible?
Yes, it is
Yes,
possible,
sir.
sir.
With
By
the
using
hyphen L
user mod
caption.
command, capital L.
Yes, yes. Can you block or
Lock the pass.
lock
Lock the pass.
no. Lock the user certain period of time. Is it possible? Itla. Is it possible? Yes, possible.
Yes.
Same way. Yes, possible. Be confident and tell the answers confidently so that other person will understand, okay, this fellow is having something. Okay. Don't, by heart the things. Okay. Just try to understand the concept properly, understand the questions properly, understand the answers properly so that your interviewer will be satisfied easily. Otherwise, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you very soon. Like this, they will say the answers. Okay, right. Okay. So can you black the or lock the user certain period of time? Is it possible? Yes, possible. Okay. Yes, possible. Yes. How? Tell me the answer.
By using user mod command, hyphen L, capital L.
Yes. Okay. Simple, very simple answer. By using user mod command. User mod command. Okay. With the help of U flag. U. Small or capital? Capital or
No,
small?
sir, L, sir, L, sir.
Sir, it's you unlock, sir.
Capital L.
Capital L only, right? Excellent answer. Capital L. Okay, capital L. Okay, capital L. Okay, we use the capital L flag to block the user, to lock the user. Okay, at the help of L flag. Okay, good. Flag. Okay, we block. BLOCK. We block the user. Simple. We lock the user, or we lock the user account, or user account, or user. Simple. Okay. So, what is the statement to block the user? Another interview in another round, they will ask you, what is the statement for the, that means what? Some of the people asking you, can you block or lock the user certain period of time? Please tell me. They'll ask you like that. A certain, some of the, interviewers asking you like that, hey boss, what is the statement? What is the statement to lock or block the user account or user. What is the statement? Yes, tell me the statement, right? Answer. What
User
is
mod,
User mod hyphen capital L.
user mod?
Username.
Same user mod.
Hyphen.
Okay, US here, US here, user mod. Okay, afterwards,
Hyphen capital L.
username.
Username.
Excellent answer. Username, right? So can I write anything in this statement? Yes. Can I write some more things in this statement?
No, sir, that's correct.
Okay, right. Simple. Okay. So user mod hyphen L. Okay, what is the username? Papa Rao. So our username is what? V Papa Rao. Same thing called. Yes. Over. Okay, what in the 18th question? 18th, same question. Repeat the same. Something called block or unblock.
Unblock.
Okay, can you unblock or can you unlock the user? Okay, can you?
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Can
By
you
using user mod
unblock
hyphen U.
or unblock the user? Yes. Why not? Possible. Yes, possible. Okay, yes, possible. That means what? See, there are two interviewers. Okay, one fellow is asking, can you block or lock the user certain period of time? This is one interviewer. Second interviewer is asking you straight questions. What is the statement to lock or block the user account? Okay, like that. So first interviewer asking you, 16th question. The second interviewer asking you 17th question. So both are same, but the difficulty is what? Nothing is there. Both are same only. Okay, no difficulty. Okay, like this, you need to prepare the interview. Okay, can you unlock or unblock the user? Yes, is it possible? Yes, possible. Yes, answer. Yes, it is possible. Answer. Yes, possible. Yes, friends. Answer.
by using user mod command with
Same thing. By using same
user
thing.
mod command
Profit.
with the help of capital U flag.
Excellent. So just to use capital U. That's it. So what is the statement to unlock the users, friends? What is the statement to unlock?
User mod hyphen capital U user.
Excellent. Unlock. But try to provide a better answer for every question. Better answer in the sense what? సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే మీ ఆన్సర్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్గా ఒక మంచి విధానంలో ఆన్సర్లు చెప్పగలిగేటట్లు ఉండాలి. అలాగే ఇంగ్లీష్ని కూడా నువ్వు ఫార్మేట్ చేసుకోగలగాలి. ఇంగ్లీష్ని కూడా నువ్వు ఫార్మేట్ చేసుకోవాలా. అలాగా మనం మాట్లాడాలా సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే. ఓకే, కొంచెం అలాగా నీట్గా స్పష్టంగా. ఓకే, తెలుగు టు ఇంగ్లీష్ని ఎలా మార్చుకుంటాం అలాగా. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ టు అన్లాక్ ఆర్ అన్బ్లాక్? Unblock the user account or user. Okay, something called U. Small u or capital U? Capital. Okay, right. Okay, simple. So what is the next, 2019? This is 19. Again, next question, 20. Okay, yes. What is the 20?
What kind of privileges we must have in order to change username, ID, and shell the password and
Yes. Okay. What are all the access? Okay, right. Okay, one more question. Okay, but see, we have, so in my organization, we have 500 users, okay, but I would like to know only, or I would like to know or display only a single user Paparao, only a single user Paparao. I would like to know or display only a single user Paparao details. Only a user Paparao details. Okay. Only a user Paparao details. Okay. What is the statement to display? Only a Paparao user details. What is the statement? What is the statement?
grep by using grep command,
What is the statement?
grep paparao,
What is the statement? Yes.
grep paparao forward slash etc
Yes.
forward slash
So,
pass wd.
Pass W.
yeah. So, try to start with this. In this case, we use a grep command. So, first of all, start like this. In this case, or in this scenario, in this case, or in this scenario. So, we were using grep command. That means what? You are working
Grep is a filter command.
continuously working. We are using this kind of statements. In this case, we were using grep command. So grep is a command. Grep is a filter command which is used to, yes, search or filter whatever you want. So in this case, we were using grep command. Okay. So by using grep command, we can display or we display only Paparao user detail display only Paparao user details, right? Okay. Or otherwise grep command. So grep is a filter command or search command. Search filter command or search command. By using grep command, we display only Paparao user details. Okay, like grep etc grep we are Paparao. Okay, whatever it is, Paparao etc past WD. Yes or no? Yes, friends. Are you understanding, friends? Is it right or wrong, friends?
Yes, sir.
Right or
That's
wrong?
right.
Is right.
Right.
Okay. Yes,
Right,
Paparao.
sir.
So okay, only Paparao. So some of the interviewers asking like this. Some of the interviewers, they don't ask any straight questions. They'll ask you like this. Okay, simple, very simple. Whatever the questions they are asking you, yes, simply understand the questions. Okay, think properly. Provide answers so that everything is very easy, boss. Okay, simple. Okay, what is this 21st? Okay, 21st question. 21st. So what is the purpose of tail command? What is purpose of tail command?
For last 10 lines.
So are you using tail command in your project? Okay, are you using tail command in your project? So if you are using, tell me the situation. Tell me the situation. Okay, if you are using, tell me the situation, boss. Yes, మీరు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. Tell me the situation immediately. Yes. Yes, answer please.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, we
I
use
am
tail
using tail
command.
command in my project.
So we
Tail
are
command.
so
Tail is a command in Linux which is used to display 10 lines in a file.
Okay, right.
Last 10 lines.
Bottom of the lines.
So we use tail command wherever it is necessary. So what is this? We use tail command wherever, okay, wherever it is necessary. Right, first line. Okay, next line is what? We use tail command wherever it is necessary. So sometimes
I got lost.
we are working with so many files. Sometimes we are working with so many files. So sometimes we are working with so many important files. Okay, so many important files. Okay.
School ready అవి
For example, let's say, for example,
ఒరే నువ్వు స్కూల్ కి ఫస్ట్
For
వచ్చి
example.
కూర్చొని తర్వాత ఇంకా గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
so many files, or you can say so many configuration files. So many configuration files. Okay, so many important project files or so many configuration file, system configuration file also. Okay, also, but most of the time I need to get the latest latest information or recent updated information, latest information or a recent updated information. So that time we use tail command. That time we use tail command. Yes. So tail is a very excellent
స్కూల్ కి రావా నువ్వు
excellent
స్కూల్
command. So which is used to display
మమ్మీ స్కూల్లో వేసిన
10 lines in a file. 10 lines in a file. 10 lines in a file by default. But as per our requirement, we can also change the number of lines. What do you say? As per our requirement, we can also display any number of lines by using tail command.
కూర్చోండి ఓకేనా
So, for example, so tail, okay, tail etc fast ability. Tail etc fast ability. Tail etc fast ability. This statement is
తర్వాత గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టీచర్ అని
10 lines.
టీచర్ అని తర్వాత
10 lines
నా డ్రాయింగ్
10 lines
ఎంత బాగుంది
files. Okay.
అని ముద్దు
10
పెట్టుకుంటాను
lines from the bottom of the file
అని చూసినట్టు
or recent update. 10 lines.
చెప్తుంటే వాడు నిద్రపోతానంటే టీచర్ వాడు నిద్రపోతుందంటే రే అంటే
For example,
సరే పనుకుంటున్నాను
tail
నేను
20,
కొట్ట
tail 20 etc fast ability. Okay. This statement gives you only 20 lines in a file.
నేను టీచర్ అంటే స్కూల్లో ఎలా పిలుస్తావా మేఘీ
Simple bottom of the file.
పిలుస్తావా
That answer. Simple. Very simple. 10 lines.
కొడు
10 lines.
స్కూల్ అరే అయిపోయిందిరా
Bottom view.
అమ్మ
Bottom of the
చదువులో
file. 10 lines.
టీచర్
from the bottom.
టీచర్
Okay. 20 lines from the bottom of the file. Okay. So this is what sometimes the interviewer asks like this, but you need to add some more lines, not just single line answers. No. Just to use some of the additional lines so that they will understand very clearly, because most of the people don't know the answers also. If you explain like this, they'll understand everything. Otherwise, they don't know anything, because sometimes see most of the people sitting in front of sitting the interviews panel, they don't know anything sometimes. Okay, because their working profile is different and their interview panel profile is different. Okay, by the time being, so one of the experienced guy, one of the resources absent at the time. That's why he sitting in this interview panel is asking you. There are certain limitations question. That means what? Simple questions. But simple questions they're asking you. So afterwards they'll ask you like a scenario based questions, 2 or 3 or 5 questions also. That time you need to add some more lines and you can say like this. Okay, this is what scenario type of based questions. Okay, right? So as a DevOps engineer, as a Linux support administration engineers, we are working with so many configurations files. Okay, that time we use tail command. So tail is a command which is used to display the bottom of the display the last 10 lines of the file. Very simple answer. As for our requirement, we can also display any number of lines by using tail command. Okay, last 10 lines in a file, bottom of the file, or we can say last 10 lines in a file. Yes, friends, are you understanding, friends? Are you understanding? Are you facing any difficulty? Yes, friends.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Last,
Understanding, sir.
last lines from the file. That's it. Very simple answer. Okay. So what about the 21st, 22nd? Okay, 22. 22. Okay. So what is the difference? What is the difference between cat etc pass WD and tail etc pass WD? Is there any difference? Like that they'll ask you. What is the difference between cat etc pass WD and tail etc pass WD? Okay, any difference?
Yes, sir, it's difference.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cat displays the all information
All
of
the
the
lines
file.
in a file,
This is
sir.
all
Cat
information.
displays.
Okay.
All information.
displays only last updated timeline.
Aha, okay, right. Excellent answer. Right. So cat. So the cat etc past ability. Yes, friends. Cat etc past ability displays all the lines in a file.
In a file.
All the lines in a file. Okay. But I would like to display the necessary information. We go for tail command. You can say like that. So necessary information is what? Last updated information or recent information, whatever it is. Tail command displays
Last one.
the
Latest updates
last 10 lines
in a
file, or bottom 10 lines in a file, whatever it is. Last 10 lines in a file. Okay, simple answer. Last 10 lines in a file.
Say that, now say die. No day, die, so to school.
23.
No way, no this way.
So, suppose
Kidding, do for do say dick.
what?
Do so do fade do dick pick. Lick, wet, lick, big dicks. Do,
Then Papa Rav is considered as a
Bing, sleep, no. Sleep, don't know. Sleeping ని లేపకూడదు.
user in
ఎవరైనా నిద్రపోతుంటే లేపకూడదు. ఓ సేఫ్
Papa Rav is our employee. Is considered as a
స్లీప్
user in
చేస్తున్నావా
like.
డాడీ మమ్మీనైనా
But now
మమ్మీనైనా అలా
I would add some information for this Papa Rav user or for my employee. But how to do that? How to add some more information to my Papa? That means what? How to add
Baby shut the door.
Papa Rao.
Baby shut the
What is
door.
this guy?
Baby shut the
Brother,
door.
engineer or
Baby shut.
support engineer?
Mommy shut the door. Mommy shut the door. Mommy shut.
That's why I want to add some more lines to the.
Daddy shut.
I want to add
Daddy
some
shut the
comment.
door. Daddy shut the door. Daddy shut.
Or
Mommy shut the
or
door.
anything. Yes. How you add that? What is the statement? To add additional information for my employees, for my user. Papa, how to add additional. How to add additional information to my users. Papa. Additional information means what? Their designation. Yes. Yes. Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir, possible.
Ah, yes, tell me.
iPhone C is the flag to add the extra information to user.
By using user mod command, by using user mod command, we add or modify whatever we add additional information to the okay, by using user mod command with the help of
With the help of C flag.
with the help of
C flag.
Ah,
flag.
with the help of C flags. Yes, C. With the help of C flag, yes, we add additional information to the user or modify. We add or modify. Okay, no problem.
Sir, for C flag is only the comment line only, or two or more lines also, sir?
Comment
The
is nothing but what? Additional information considered as a additional information. Comment is nothing
Whatever
additional information.
whatever we have more lines also, we are using in that C flag.
Sorry?
Sometimes we want more additional information or like up to 10 lines. That time also we are using the C flag.
Yes. Additional information in the sense what? Hey, this is a Papa Rao is a DevOps engineer. Hey, this is a something called test engineer. Hey, this is KK is called SRE. Like that. We need to add some additional information to the user. Then we use a C flag with the help of user mod command. Okay. By using user mod command with the help of C flag, we add additional information to the user Papa or modify whatever it is. You use both, no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next question. What is the statement to modify that statement?
User mod -c.
User mod -c.
What is the statement to add or modify? Okay, modify. So additional info or comment, whatever it is. C means what? Comment only. So additional information will be considered as a comment only. So how to add or modify additional information or comment to the user? What is the statement?
User mod
-c.
Comment.
24
By
was
using
okay. No. By using already over. Yes. The above we said very clearly. Okay.
yeah.
This is what only
User
statement.
mod.
Okay, this is only statement. Yes, how to write the statement? Yes, friends, how to write the statement? User mod
-c.
-c
Additional information.
DevOps. Afterwards, Papa Rao.
User
DevOps engineer Papa Rao. That's it. Papa Rao. Okay, right. So 25 question, friends. Okay. What is the 25? I'll give you one question for you people. Okay, what is who? What is who? Who? What is the purpose of who? Okay, what is the purpose of who?
Displays the user.
Current user, like
What is who? What is the purpose of who? Who is a command? Who is a command? So what is the purpose of who command?
displays the current user.
So who is a command which is used to display users, okay, information, right? Good. What kind of user information it is giving you? Yes.
Current user information.
Who command?
Username. Displays the username.
First username. Okay, next. Notes should also.
Terminal.
Huh?
What?
Terminal. Terminal.
Terminal name. Okay. ID. Okay. Terminal name and okay. Next.
IP address.
IP address. Okay. Of
Date
your
and time of login.
server. Okay. Next.
Date and time of login.
Date and time of login user. Okay. Next. Who command. Okay. Right. So, all right. Excellent. So, what is 26th? What is W command? What is W command? What is the purpose of W? Is same as a who command or it is a different command? Yes.
Same as the
Difference
command.
Same as
between
who.
who and W command? Who? Is any difference between who and W command? What is W? Yes, sir. I want to see the notes. Yes, excellent. Please check your notes. Okay. See, try to prepare well. Okay. Without preparing well, if you attend any interview, definitely they will scold you. Okay, simple, very, because they are spending lot of time to take the interview. That's why they are struggling very lot. Okay, that's why they are scolding you sometimes, some interviews also. Okay, right. Yes, friends. What is W? Okay, what is W? Right. Next, 27. What is users command? Users is a command. Yes. What is users? What is users? USERS. USERS. What is users command? What is users command? What is W command? Yes, friends. Answer, please. What is users command? Users. Yes, simply provide an answer, please. What is users? Huh? I don't know, sir. Okay. 28. What is who space am space I command? What is who space am space I command?
Displays the current user.
Huh?
Displays the current user.
Okay.
Current working directory.
Working directory. No. Wrong. Yes. What is who am I command? What is who am I command? Yes. Yes, friends. What are you doing?
Who am I will display the current user informations.
Who am I? Display the current user information.
Current user information.
Okay. Suppose whenever I create any user, the user will get the following. What are that? Whenever
Folder.
we create a user by using user add command, the user will get answer.
User ID and user folder.
User name, user ID,
Group ID.
Username, okay.
user ID,
User
user
directory.
folder, shell environment.
Username,
User ID.
username, user ID, okay. Next,
Group ID. Group ID.
username, user ID, and user
Group
folder,
ID.
okay.
Shell
So,
environment,
ID.
bash.
Group ID. Shell environment.
environment, okay. Next,
Group ID also.
group ID. This is related to group management, okay. Group ID as well as group name. So this group name we can also call as a primary group, which was given by whom? Linux, not by you, okay. Group ID, okay. This is what? Primary group ID, okay. Primary group ID. By
love you, yes, నా ప్రియుడు నీవయ్యా పెద్దకు పాడు నా ప్రియుడు
that means what? Whenever we create any user, the user
love you, yes, నా ప్రియుడు నీవయ్యా love you, yes,
user, okay, whenever we
నా ప్రియుడు నీవయ్యా
by
love you,
the
I love you, I love you, yes, హల్లెలూయా చెప్పు హల్లెలూయా
so
ఇదిగో నాన్న ఇప్పుడు రా
29 or 30 or 30.
నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోరా బయటికి చూడు వాడిని
How to check the
పనులు చేస్తా
shell environment?
అన్ని
The user is
Hello.
సిగ్గు లేకుండా
The
రాసుకో.
user is using which how to know which user
Sir, your voice is not
Your voice is not audible, sir.
Able to hear your voice, sir.
నువ్వు ఒకడు వెళ్ళట
background voice.
You can only listen and love you, say.
Yes, friends, is it good now?
No, sir. Your voice is.
Very low.
Not audible.
బోర్డు పైన ఏదన్నా రాయి విన్ను నువ్వు కొంచెం
Maleshwari, please mute yours.
జ్యూస్ రాయి
Background voice is also.
దాంట్లో జ్యూస్ రాయి
Yes, friends, is it good now? Yes.
Background నుంచి
Background voice వస్తుంది.
Maleshwari గారు
Yes, sir.
టెస్ట్ క్లాస్
Okay.
No, sir, it's not my side.
Sorry.
Kids voice
It's not
వస్తుంది.
my side. No, sir, it's not my side, the kid voice. Someone.
See, yes, friends, are you able to? Yes. Is my voice is audible, friends, or any noise coming from my
Now
side?
it's clear, sir.
Huh?
Present, okay, sir. It's not clear, sir.
Okay. No. Just check one more time. Is it good now or getting?
Yes, sir.
Good, sir.
Right
Good,
now,
sir.
before kids voice, before background.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Okay.
So due to some network glitch or some other things, yes. Okay, no problem. Right. So yes, friends, is my voice is audible, right? Good, right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, it's
okay.
good, sir.
So what about 30? 30. How to check the user shell environment? How to check users shell environment? How can you say whether the user is working in a bash environment or some other environment? How you check? Okay, how to check users shell environment? Yes, where the user is working, whether user is working bash environment or Z environment or fish environment or some other she environment. That means what? She shell, Z shell, fish shell. There are so many shells are available. K shell. Yes, friends. How you know that? How to check the user shell environment? The user is working in this shell environment. How you say? Yes. How to check?
Echo $shell.
Oh, excellent answer. Okay. ACHO echo dollar SHELL shell. Is it right or wrong? Echo
It's right.
dollar SHELL. Which one is right and which one?
Options. Second one.
First one, second one. If I execute the first statement, what happens? If I execute the first statement, yes, friends, wrong. Wrong or right? Wrong. So this is what? Right. It will be executed. It will be, or it displays the user's shell information or environment, whatever it is. The user shell environment is what? Mainly bash. Output is what? Bin bash output. The above statement is, the first statement is wrong to ask you like that. Echo dollar shell, echo dollar capital SHELL. What is the difference between this first and second? Yes, boss. The first one is wrong statement. The second one is a right statement. It displays the user shell environment. Simple, very simple answer. Okay. Very, very, very shortcut answers, boss. Try to create a shortcut answers. Okay. Don't create a lengthy type of answers. No, 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 no. Most of the people are going to Google, most of the people are going to ChatGPT, some other things, and they are trying to create a bundle lines of papers. Why not required? Because it takes, suppose if I given 30 questions and 30 answers, hardly they'll ask you only 5 questions only. But out of 30 questions, just I prepare 5 questions only. No, 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 no. You must prepare 30 questions because we don't know which question is coming in the interview. No, we don't know. Either 20, it might be a 24th question, or it might be a some other called 20 question, or some other called something called 12th question. We don't know. That's why we must prepare all the questions. Okay, we must prepare all the questions. Okay, this document will be given to you. Okay, no problem, no worries. Okay, right. So what about 31? 31. Yes, 31. So who is a root user, and who is root user, and who is normal user? Okay, difference between a root user and a normal user. Yes, how you say that? Answer. Yes, who is the root user and who is the normal user? Yes, friends.
Root user is a super user and he has all the privileges.
Root user.
He's a super user and he has all the privileges.
So root user. Yes, start answer, please.
Root
U-
is root.
root user is a super user. He can root user can go anywhere. I mean, it can modify anything.
Right.
So root user is a powerful user in Linux. Okay. The root user is having 100% privileges or 100% access without any restrictions. He can do any kind of such activities inside Linux. They can do any kind of modifications, any kind of deletions, any kind of creations. Yes, you can do any kind of thing because the Linux has given 100% privileges. The Linux has given 100% access to the root user. So the root user is what? The secured user. Okay, who is the normal user? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పింది మళ్ళీ మీరు చెప్పండి. రాదు సార్, రాదు, రాదు, టైప్ చేయిందే రాదు, అందుకే టైప్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ he explained just now, can you say one more time? Yes, is it possible? No, 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 not possible. That's why I'm typing. Okay, చెప్పండి. Yes, root user.
Powerful user.
Root user is a powerful user in Linux. Okay, the root user is a powerful user in Linux. Next line. Yes.
He has 100% access to perform all the activities.
So Linux has given 100% 100%, yes, 100% access to the root user without any restrictions. Without any restrictions. Yes, next. Root user can perform. Yes, yes, friends, root user can perform any kind of activity inside a Linux, like modification. Okay, modification. Okay, modification, deletion, and creation. Okay, modification, deletion, and creation. Afterwards, modification, deletion, and creation of any file. Then what next? Then what next? He can install. He can install any kind of softwares. He can install any kind of he can download and install any kind of softwares. Okay, he can install and he can install. We can download and he can download and install any kind of softwares. Okay, next.
He can give the permissions to any user.
He can do any kind of disk partitions. He can do any kind of disk partitions and disk partitions, creating and attaching mount points. Yes or no? Creating and attaching mount points. Okay, next.
And
Attaching
files. And sharing the files to the other servers.
Attaching file system to the partitions. Okay, next.
And sharing the files to other servers.
He can. Okay, he can run, stop, or restart. Okay, any service. Okay, we can stop, restart. Okay, restart, and so simply restart, reload. So what is the difference between a restart and reload? I'll explain you. Okay, we have a time. Okay, in a Monday session we'll explain, because this is a comes under process management, service management concept. Okay, you can run a stop. Run means what? You can start, a stop, a restart, a reload, any service, any service. Okay. Afterwards, what next? You can provide, you can create, you can create and provide, you can create and provide, you can create users, you can create users and provide a pseudo access, pseudo access to the users. Okay, next. You can provide, you can provide a, we can provide a file and folders, files and folders permission to anyone, files and folders permissions to anyone. Okay, anyone. Next, there are so many such things are available. Just add. You can create groups and you can create appoint admins. You can create. Yes, friends, you can create groups and yes, create groups and
Admins.
and create groups and group admins and provide an access.
And also providing the special permissions to the users.
Okay, like this, there are so many things are available. Okay, right, like this root user. But what about just see, there are 10 lines. If you read 10 lines first time, it takes 2 minutes. If you read this 10 lines second time, it takes only 1 minute. If you read third time, it takes only 30 seconds. If you read a fourth time, it takes only 10 seconds. If you read fifth time, it takes only 1 second job. 1 second only. 1 second, just 1 second, you'll explain all these things. A root user is a powerful user. In Linux, root user has given 100% access to something called root without any restrictions. Access to the root user without any restrictions. That means what? Privileges, 100% privileges, unlimited access, like say unlimited access, that's it. Unlimited access without any restrictions means what? Unlimited access. Okay, right. Yes, friends. What about normal user, friends? Yes, normal user. Yes, start. Normal user. Yes, I'll wind up this session. Just wait. Okay. Normal user, friends.
Normal user was created by root user and it has a limited privileges.
Oh, okay. Normal user. Okay. Yes. Normal user will be created by root user. Yes or no? Normal user will be created by root user. Okay. So normal users will be created by root user, or you can say pseudo users, root users or pseudo root user, or you can say pseudo user. Okay. Right. Next question. Next. What they do? What the normal user do? By default, okay, by default, normal users having a limited access, okay, or least privileges, least privileges. Least privileges. Okay, or you can say least privileges or limited access or restricted access. Okay, right. So normal user. Yes, friends, normal user is having limited access or restricted access. They can do yes boss, they can do all activities. They can do very simple activities inside Linux. If they want to do any kind of root user kind of activities, if they want to do any kind of root user kind of activities, okay, they must get the sudo access. Okay, they must get the sudo access. Otherwise, no, it is not possible to do any kind of activities inside a Linux. They must get the sudo access. Otherwise, they will not do any kind of activities okay, activities such as yes, software installation, remove software installation, removal, and update. Software installation, removal, and updates. Okay, upgrades. Okay, afterwards, disk partitions. Partitions and etc, etc. Some other kind of things. Okay, right. Yes, friends. What next, friends? Sir, the time is 20 to 40. Okay. How many questions? 30 questions. Okay. Yes, friends. Are you understanding the questions, friends? So some of
Yes,
the
sir.
questions. Okay. So in one concept, you will get you will get 50 questions. That means what? We covered 31, but more than no 40 or 50 also available. 40 or 50. But these questions are very much a short type answer questions, and you'll not find anywhere in this kind of questions, because these questions what? Simply understanding questions only. Okay, if you read well, it takes just 10 minutes. Second time, 5 minutes. Third time, 2 minutes. Fourth time, 1 minute. Fifth time, no need to read. No, 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 no. Just go away. That's it. Just attend the interview without reading this paper. Just go. That's it. You can crack the interview very easily. So, like that, we need to prepare the interview. Yes. Without preparing the interview, okay, don't attend the interview. Okay. Most of the people are very much hurry. Hurry means what? Hey, I want to do that. I want to crack the job. No, not possible. How? How? It takes a lot of time to take the preparation. To take the preparation takes a lot of time. Yes, you must prepare well. Otherwise, nobody. So try to understand the concept, try to prepare the concept. Just read this kind of information just 3, 4, 5 times. Enough. Okay. No need to read again and again. Never, never. Yes, these things will be very, very important in an interview. Okay. Yes, friends. Are you understanding my words, friends? Okay. All the things will be covered. Okay. In a next round. Next round in the sense what? We take the next round on next Saturday, as well as this remaining questions, as well as we include a group management as well as pseudo management. Group management, pseudo management next mock interview. That means for next Saturday. Afterwards, file management, package management, everything will be covered like this. So within 1 or 2 months, everything will be covered. No problem. So like this, will give you this kind of stuff to you. Okay, right, friends? Okay, so thank you. Thanks for your good patience. So let's stop here for today, friends, and we'll discuss the next class, friends. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class, friend. Thank you. Good night to all. Yes, friends. Are you understanding or not? Facing any difficulty? Yes, no. Are you facing any difficulty to understand the questions and provide any answers, right? No, 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 no. Not difficulty. Okay. Anyone can understand very easily. No problem. Right.